Okay, so in this video, we're going to do sight reading. Go ahead and turn your books to page 110. It's going to be a back in Unit 8, just to get a little bit some easier practice. So obviously you will not know what's on your sight reading test this week. You'll find that out on Friday morning. The idea is to take and spend about 30 to 45 minutes just to kind of simulate the piano proficiency exam. We're going to see what we can do kind of in this little segment of a video. So what I would recommend when you're working on it for 30 minutes is first taking a look at it. So this is 8-24, one that's an E flat major. Take a look at it and then try to sight read through both hands separately. See where the more confusing chords are, where the easier chords are, if there are any tricky rhythms. What we would do if we were in class, I would actually have like a piece of paper or a book or something, and I'd cover up the measure right after you play it. I go note by note and cover it up. That forces your eyes to go ahead. So if it's possible, you can have someone in your household or your friend do it, cover it up as you go so you are not tempted to go back, or you can try it on your own, which can be a little trickier. The big thing about sight reading that I really want to press this semester, keep going no matter what. I know mistakes happen and they suck, but the idea is not to listen to you try to fix the same chord for 6 measures to see how can I get from beginning to end and not be super rattled by what's going on. Hopefully that makes sense. So if you would like to, I would go ahead and suggest stopping this video and then chunking it out, maybe for like 5 or 10 minutes or so. And then when you come back, we'll play it together. So go ahead and pause the video, and then when you're ready, hit play. Okay, so now let's go ahead and start the beginning. Remember to look at the key signature if you have not already. B flat, E flat, and A flat. There's too many flats for me to call out consistently, but if you can start with first chord, E flat major, correctly, that should give you a foundation where to go from. So we're going to go very slowly. Try to keep your eyes going straight ahead, okay? 1, 2, 3. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. If you don't have a pedal, you don't have to use it. But hopefully with that, if it threw you off kilter, rewind and see if you can practice again. Having someone else doing it with you kind of makes it a little bit more difficult. But be honest with yourself. Did you have to stop and fix chords a lot? This will be more of a one-on-one thing. Work towards eliminating those little habits. This is not like these are not our chosen pieces, and it's sight reading. I don't expect it to be perfect. I expect you to be able to keep going no matter what. Okay, so in the next video, we will talk about how to practice transposition.